Yes, and one of my private conclusions is that when you get to the whole question of whether our society should panic, whether there's a huge political consensus to do something then I think you're operating at the political level. But when you're talking with the engineers who have to worry about our cities and coastlines, then you can have a different kind of dialogue with them. They don't dare neglect the projections. They have to be able to say they looked at them, they took them into account, and they have to be able to tell their superiors that if it gets that bad, we have a backup plan. So you can have a quiet, practical discussion with people like that, and they can go and then tell their political leaders after a while, yeah, we think this is serious. And this is what happened in California. And that will be the topic of next lecture. And so I do think it's possible to have a dialogue about the practicalities. And once again, you also have to admit that that we don't have enough knowledge to guide them in all of their decisions. They're used to making decisions with uncertainty, but I think the most important thing at the present time is to keep the relationship going between these kinds of decision makers and the scientists who help assess the problem, and just keep that relationship going. And this is the essence of adaptive management.